Class 4 Lesson 7 Fraction. Comparison of fractions. Comparing like fractions. Like fraction means a fraction having same denominator. Here also 5, here also 5. Then the number having bigger digit will be bigger and the smaller number will be smaller. Here 6 is having bigger number, 6 is bigger than 3, so 6 is greater than 3. It means 6 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. Now it is so simple to compare the like fraction, but what if we have to compare the unlike fractions? So for comparing unlike fractions, for example 22 by 25 and 18 by 20, first of all we have to convert it in like fraction. For example, here we have converted by multiplying 4 in 22 by 25 and 5 in 18 by 20. So though both are having same denominator, that is 100. Now 22 into 4, 88, and 18 into 5, 90. So 90 by 100 is bigger than 88 by 100. It means 90 by 100 is bigger. It means 18 by 20 is bigger than 22 by 25. So for comparing unlike fraction, here compare 3 by 8 and 4 by 6. Now first of all we have to check that 8 is coming in the table of 6. No. 6 is coming in the table of 8? No. It means we have to find out the LCM of both of these numbers. So we have already taken the LCM 8 and 6. So 2 and 2 and 2 and 3 is came. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 equals to 24. It means we have to convert the denominator into 24. So how can we convert? By multiplying. 8 3 is 24 and 6 4 is 24. Now we have multiplied 3 on the both side and here also 4 on the both side. 3 3 is 9 by 24. Here 4 4 is 16 by 24. Now 16 is greater than 9. So 16 by 24 is greater than 9 by 24. It means 4 by 6 is greater than 3 by 8. Now comparing the mixed numbers or mixed fractions. Here comparing a mixed fraction with an improper fraction. So one of the fraction is mixed fraction and one of the fraction is improper fraction. So first of all we have to convert this fraction into mixed fraction or this into improper fraction. It means we can compare if both the fractions are in mixed fractions or both the fractions will be in improper fraction. So here we are converting the mixed number into improper fraction. So here we get 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. 5 by 2 is greater than 3 by 2. It means 2 and 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 2. Now question number 2. Comparing two mixed fractions. Here two mixed fractions are there. In two mixed fractions we only see the integral parts. For example, here 2 and here 1. 2 is greater than 1. It means 2 and 2 by 3 is greater than 1 and 3 by 4. By seeing only integral parts we can say that which is the greater number. Now second example, which fraction is greater? 4 and 2 by 7 and 4 and 1 by 3. Now here also both are mixed fraction. So here we can see both are mixed fraction, but both are having 4 4 as integer place. So we will compare the fractional part, that is 2 by 7 and 1 by 3. Now compare 2 by 7 and 1 by 3 by cross multiplication. Now what is cross multiplication? Cross multiplication means we just multiply this numerator to this denominator and this denominator to this numerator. Now here 2 3 is 6 and 7 1 is 7. So 2 3 is 6 is smaller than 7. It means the first number 2 by 7 is smaller than 1 by 3. Here hence 4 and 2 by 7 is smaller than 4 and 1 by 3. Once again I am repeating this. First we have checked the integer part, that is 4 4, both are same. So we have to compare the fractional part 2 by 7 and 1 by 3. So what we have done, we have multiplied this numerator to this denominator and this denominator to this numerator. Now 3 2 ja 6 and 7 1 ja 7. 7 is bigger than 6. It means this fraction is bigger than this. Now, ordering of fractions. Ordering of fraction means, first of all we have to see all the denominators are in like fraction. Then the smaller value will be smaller and the greater value will be greater. So 1 by 3 is the smallest value, then 2 by 3, then 4 by 3, and then 5 by 3 will be the greatest value. So we can write this in ascending order, and if we want to write in descending order, we have to write the greater value first, then smaller, and then smaller. Now, arranging or ordering the unlike fractions. If all the numerators are equal, for example here 1 1 1 1 all are unit fraction. If the numerators are equal, it means the number which is having small denominator will be greater and the number which is having greater denominator will be smaller. For example, 1 by 10 is the lowest number, then 1 by 8, then 1 by 7, then 1 by 6, and then 1 by 3 will be the greatest number. Now, arrange 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 6, 7 by 10 in ascending and descending order. Here, not the denominators are equal nor the numerators are equal. So first of all, we will take the LCM of these numbers. LCM will be the 60. We have already found out the 60 LCM. So we have to convert these number into 60. How can we convert? By multiplying. What we are going to multiply in these? So we will get 60. 15. So here we will multiply 15. Here also we will multiply 15. Now here we will multiply 10, and here we will multiply 6. So that 15 1 ja 15, 15 4 ja 60, 15 3 ja 45, 15 4 ja 60, 10 1 ja 10, 10 6 ja 60, and 7 6 ja 42, 10 6 ja 60. Now all the fractions are in like fractions. So 10 by 60 is the smallest number, then 15 by 60, then 42 by 60, and in last 45 by 60. It means 1 by 6 is the smallest number, then 1 by 4, and then 7 by 10, and then 3 by 4 will be the greatest number. Exercise 7C. Compare the following fractions. For comparing, first of all, there are various methods. First of all, one is the making the like fractions and then we compare, or we can cross multiply and then we can check which number is greater. For example, 4 2 ja 8, 3 1 ja 3. It means 8 is greater than 3. So it means 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Here also, here 3 and 6 is coming in the 3 table, 3 2 ja 6. So we will multiply 2 on the both side. So that 2 2 ja 4 and 3 2 ja 6. So 4 by 6 and 3 by 6. 4 by 6 is greater. Now here same, we will multiply 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. 3 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 6. Here both are not coming in the table, so we will cross multiply. 8 3 ja 24, 7 5 ja 35. 35 is greater than 25. Here also we will multiply 91, 72. 91 is greater than 72. It means this one is greater. Now here 28 5 ja 140 and 7 2 ja 14. Here also 140. It means both are equivalent fraction, because here also 140 and here also 140. Now Question number second. Write the correct sign less than, greater than or equals to. Now here one of these number is mixed fraction and one is improper fraction. So first of all convert this in improper fraction. 3 1 ja 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3. Now 5 by 3 and 5 by 4. Both are having same numerator but different denominator. So if two fractions are having same numerator, then having smaller denominator is greater than is greater denominator. Now here both are having 7 7 common. Now one side it is having 5 by 6 and it is having 4 by 9. Let us compare 5 by 6 and 4 by 9. Here 9 5 ja 45, 6 4 ja 24. 45 is greater than 24. It means 5 by 6 is greater. So we can say that 7 and 5 by 6 is greater than 7 and 4 by 9. In the same way we will do the rest of the question also. Question number 3. Write in ascending order. Here 1 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 10 and 1 by 2 is there. So first of all we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So here we have find out the LCM. The LCM is 60. Now we have to make the denominators 60. So we have to multiply 15 here, 10 here, 6 here and 30 here. So the first one is 15 by 60, second one is 50 by 60, third one is 42 by 60 and fourth one is 30 by 60. So all are having same denominator. So the smallest number is 15 by 60, then 30 by 60, then 42 by 60 and in last 50 by 60 is the largest number. It means 1 by 4 is the smallest number, then 1 by 2, then 7 by 10 and in last the greatest number is 5 by 6. So in this way first of all we have to convert all the fractions in like fraction and then we have to compare which is smaller and which is greater. Now question number 5. Write which of the following fractions are in the lowest term. Now new term is came, that is lowest term. Fraction in the simplest form or lowest term. It means we have to divide a fraction by any number till it is not divisible. For example here 8 by 12 is given. So we will divide 8 by 12 by any number. Now first of all we will divide it by 2. 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja, again it is divisible, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. Now 2 by 3 came. 2 by 3 cannot be divided by any single number other than 1. It means 2 by 3 is the lowest term of 8 by 12 or it is the simplest form. Here it is written 2 by 3. In the same way we will do the question number 5. 1 by 5 cannot be divided further, so this is in the simplest form or lowest term. 2 by 6 can be divided 2 1 ja and 2 3 ja. So this is not 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, this is also not. 1 by 2 it is in the lowest term and 9 by 11, yes, it is in the lowest term. Now question number 6. Reduce to the lowest term. It means we have to divide, for example 0 0 cut, so the answer will be 1 by 2. Here first of all we will cut down by 5 9 ja and 5 12 ja. Now 3 3 ja and 3 4 ja, so the answer is 3 by 4. Here 2 6 ja, 2 10 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 5 ja, 3 by 5 is answer. Here 0 0 cut, 4 1 ja and 4 2 ja, 1 by 2 is the answer. Here 0 0 cut, so the answer is 1 by 5. Here first of all 25 by 100, then 25 1 ja, 25 4 ja, so the answer is 1 by 4. Here 15 1 ja, 15 5 ja, 1 by 5. Here 5 14 ja and 5 17 ja. Here 4 2 ja and 4 3 ja. Thank you.